Seneta Medhu leo hii aliweza kwenda nyumbani mwa Oburu Odinga ili kutoa rambirambi zake kwa Raila Amolo Odinga. Kumbuka Seneta Medhu hakuwa amehudhuria ibada ya wafu wa kupea mkono wa buriani Raila Amolo Odinga. Lakini leo Seneta Medhu aliweza kushika tu nafasi yake na kwenda kuomboleza na familia ya Raila Amolo Odinga, na akamkuta nduguye Oburu Odinga na kuweza kuongea naye na kumfariji. Nataka tu usikie Seneta Medhu akiongea na jinsi Raila Amolo Odinga aliweza kuchangia kwake kwa siasa ya nchini Kenya.
The situation escalated quite quickly, so we were not able to pass our condolences. And if you allow me, in a minute, I want to pass my condolences to the family of the Honorable Raila Odinga, his wife, the children, our colleague Senator Oburu, who is now the new party leader of ODM. Mr. Speaker, sir, the departed Prime Minister is a man who lived one of the most successful political lives any politician would think about. He worked with virtually every regime. They all came and left him. He worked with President Moi, came and left him. And there are many things that we can learn from him, but I think the hallmark of what I would learn as a young leader from the Honorable Raila Odinga is being brave, choosing the path of justice, even when it is very lonely sometimes. You do not have, and it was said in a book that I read called, I think, Half a Day, there's a, I don't remember really the title, but there's a man called Dr. Stockman who said, quest for justice. So therefore, one of the most we can actually remember from the departed leader, Honorable Raila Odinga, is that when he voluntarily chose a very difficult thing, and it has not happened again, he chose to resign, go back, get another party, and go back to his people.
Seneta Medhu anasema ya kwamba kitu ambacho alijifunza kutoka hayati Raila Amolo Odinga ni kuwa kupigania haki, no matter situation is, pigania haki ya Wakenya. Na ni kitu ambacho Seneta Medhu amesisitiza kuwa Raila Amolo Odinga ni mmoja ya wale watu ambao walisimama na kutetea haki ya kibinadamu hapa nchini Kenya. If you are not subscribed to this channel, I urge you so that you can subscribe